Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video will show you how to get almost any paid app in the Microsoft Store for free. Before the video starts, you can click subscribe. Thanks. You need to prepare the following. 1. Links to the paid Microsoft Store apps you need to install. 2. https://store.org/adguard.net for obtaining apps bundle apps other files. 3. WS App Back for generating fake Microsoft Store digital signatures, which can be downloaded from GitHub. Open Microsoft Edge and search for Microsoft Apps. Click Microsoft Apps. Search within the web page and find the link for the paid app you need to download. Copy the link. Enter the URL for downloading the software package into the address bar. Paste the Microsoft Store link you copied earlier and press Enter. Download files with the extensions apps or apps bundle. If a warning pops up while downloading, please select Keep or Save. Open File. Click Install. In most cases, you can use it directly after installation. But if a warning appears, you'll need to follow these steps to deceive Windows. Download and unzip WAP-back. Open exe file. Navigate to see Program Files Windows Apps in another window, then search for the folder containing the name of your app. If there are multiple folders with the same name, simply open the one with the largest size. Copy the folder path and paste it into the command line. Press Enter. Set the output path yourself and press Enter. Click None. Open Output folder. Install appx file. Select Local Machine. Click Next. Click Finish. Install CER file. Select Local Machine. Click Next. Install software package file. Click Install or Reinstall. Now you can use the Microsoft Store paid app you need to download.